Hi, I'm Ted. Today I'm going to show you how to calculate a sum squared in Excel. This is something that's very useful, and it's actually fairly common in different kinds of applications. So I have a spreadsheet set up here where I have two columns of numbers, and they're just random numbers. They don't mean anything, but I'm just going to do some calculations here. And what I'm going to do, and it's, as I say, it was fairly commonly done, is calculate the product of the first two items and then the product of the second two items, and then add up the sum of all the products. So we can do this kind of the brute force way. We just go into this column and we say equals that times that, and then we take that and we just drag the formula down. So we got all the products, and then down here we're going to just do the sum of the products, and somewhere up here Excel has a sum, yeah, right up. Oops, it's not zooming in what I want to zoom in, but up here at the top there's a formula with the sum function. So I hope this has been useful. I'm Ted, and today I showed you how to do the sum of products in Excel. Thank you for watching.